Everyone, welcome to another vlog. I have reached Sialkot, a new city in Punjab province in Pakistan. We'll be exploring this city tomorrow because it is night time here and darkness, and you can see in the video it's night. And just welcome by these friends Meher, Suleiman and Usman, and I thank them, and tomorrow going to explore the cities and everything and show you all the places. Hey, welcome again, and now it's morning in Sialkot, and we are now just about to start traveling in seeing the city, and we have our friend Usman here.
Thank you.
And he is our guide today for the tour, so show you some of the attractions here in this city, and I hope you will enjoy. See you. And Sialkot, just outside the city mall here in Sialkot. Yeah, city mall.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
We are in the biggest factory of sports equipments like footballs. We also have footballs here.
Crickets.
Oh, only cricket. The biggest cricket accessories and cricket bats and balls and pads and everything. This is the biggest one, I guess, in all of the Asia and Pakistan. Here in Kent area of Sialkot and just exploring all the city, and now have come to the cantonment Kent area, which is very developed, very beautiful, and all the brands exist here, and every activity that you want to have, like a modern activity, you wanna join any restaurant or any place, then you can do here in this cantonment area. So right now I'm here. We'll be showing you some of the attractions here, and we will have lunch here, and after that we will end the tour here. So behind me you can also see the McDonald's sign. So show you other things. Hey dude, what's going on? Now we are going to have lunch, right? Okay. What's going on? You like this buffet?
Yes, I
Oh, you do?
do.
Thank you. चलिए आगे बढ़े.
आपके अगर आप उधर चावल खाने जाएंगे आधे घंटे के बाद आपकी बात
अच्छा अच्छा. चावल अच्छे हैं वहाँ की. Oh, now it's time to have lunch here and everything is ready here, you can see. And we'll be having this, and after that heading to the next place for meetup in Sialkot. And again, we are in the Kent area and having a buffet in the restaurant. Green tea after lunch. Wow. And Usman Bhai is also smiling. What a smile. Acha is about to get the tea.
Yes.